We start drawing the eyebrows. We have to determine if the client's mimic is equal. Here we can see that this muscle goes downwards and creates mimics, and it can be a problem for eyebrow drawing. When we start measuring if the eyebrows are equal using the app, we are not going to take the photo of the client with this mimic. We will ask the client to smile softly so that the muscle is completely relaxed. Our first step on the client is to determine the middle of the root of the nose. The nose itself cannot be taken as a measure for the middle because it is rarely exactly in the middle. Since we need the same distance between the left and the right side, we put the middle hand into our compass. The middle hand is placed in the middle, and now we have pretty much equal distance between the left and the right eyebrow. There is a small channel between the forehead and the arcade bone, and we can feel it with our finger. It goes from the middle of the forehead to the end of the arcade bone. We draw a line with pencil through this channel. The end of the arcade bone is point 3. For point 4, we need to get familiar with the root of the nose and the forehead bone on the lower side. So we gently press the whole corner of the root of the nose and the forehead bone with a finger. And we draw a line between the finger and the skin, exactly on the border. This is point 4. If we can see a gap between the eyebrow and the finger, the eyebrow is too high. If we cover it with the finger, the eyebrow is too low. Point 4 always has to be between the finger and the forehead bone. We use the compass to connect the beginning and the end of the eyebrow. Since we had 1 dimension on paper, and now we have 3 dimensions, we will blend the end of the compass and all 3 hands to touch the skin simultaneously. We draw a line through the hole in the middle hand. Point 2, the highest point in the upper line, is where this line and the one that goes over the arcade cross. Now we straighten the end of the compass and rotate it to get point 5. The line from point 4 to point 5 has to be slightly curved out. Point 1 is always determined according to the natural eyebrow thickness. If there is no natural eyebrow thickness, we can give our suggestion or ask for the client's preference. Our suggestion is based on the small hairs that the client has. We do not use this compass for point 6. We need it to spread the skin from all 3 sides. Stretch it and pull upwards. Now the channel is on the bottom, and we go over it again. And now we simply connect point 5 with the lower line. The line from point 1 to point 2 can be straight or slightly curved in. On the left side, we place point 4 approximately. And then we use the app to check if it is in the right position. Again, we draw a line over the arcade. We transfer the distance from point 1 to point 2 to the left side. Now we need to compare point 4 and point 2, with points 4 and point 2 on the left. We transfer the distance from point 4 to point 3, so that they are the same length. We take point 5. Now we stretch the skin again and go over to the channel and we have to connect the lower line with point 6. We connect points 2 and 1 again. We have to check the symmetry once more to make sure the thickness of the eyebrow is equal to the right side.